Let's see if we can start it. It's a used car, clean title. In previous accident, they fixed it, they tuned it, they raised it, nice wheels, no issues with engine, and it's at Copart. Why they put it at Copart? Flood damage. So another interesting case, 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Take a look at this beauty, guys. Yeah, lifted. Looks fantastic. So, it was originally sold a few years ago. Also at insurance auction, it has a damage. And then they purchased it for like $19,000. And then they decided to tune it a little bit. And what they've done, they put 35 wheels, full rims, aftermarket lights. I like this front bumper reinforced. This is extremely cool. It's lifted, I think like 6 inches maybe. So it sits very nice. Looks very aggressive. And I like the color and everything. You just see this Jeep right away. Love it. Absolutely love it. Look at it. LED headlights. Done pretty good job. The airbags were deployed, so I'm gonna check it in a second. But I like this one. I don't see just few scratches. So it's a used car at Copart. Why? What's the reason they put it at Copart? They could sell it at cars.com on eBay. Reinforced rear bumper. This tire is actually good condition. The front tires are going bald, so it needs to be replaced. Okay. So, airbag is there. Guys, it looks like a used car. Everything is working fine. The key and everything, I'm gonna start it as well. So why they put it at Copart? It's a clean title car. Looks extremely nice. Very nice car. What's going on? Why they couldn't sell it anywhere else? You can take this roof, it's retractable. It's a very nice car. Okay, so that's the battery. Is it a spare battery? Okay, so the battery is here. Nothing is here. Alpine sound. I'm confused. So I'm really confused on this one. Why they put it at Copart? It's a clean title car. Let's see if we can start it. So it starts. Any messages? 37,000 miles on it. Okay. I don't see any messages. So it says kind of like the battery, carga bateria. I'm not sure what that means. So that's the tailgate is open. So off-road. So. I like this car. So I'm confused on this one. It's a used car, clean title. In previous accident, they fixed it, they tuned it, they raised it. They've done like very nice bumpers, front and rear, nice wheels, just replaced the front tires, full rims, no issues with engine, and it's at Copart. So they want $37,000 on it. The used car like that is around $40,000. So guys, whoever sells the car, if you try to sell at Copart, people come here to find great deals. So $37,000 is not a great deal. I could just go to cars.com, go to dealer, buy it, you know, like get the whole experience, and I'm gonna for sure that this car have like a warranty or whatever. This one at Copart, really nice car. Seriously, really nice car. I'd pay around $30,000 on a spot for this one to sell it later at around $39,000. So, but if you sell it at Copart, you need to understand that people come here to find great deals. I'm not gonna pay 95% retail price on it, even the car is nice. That's the case. I really like the car and I cannot find anything wrong with it. I want it cheap. I want it cheap. I don't see the spare tire, but it's okay. So it says Pro Max Auto Sales. That's the J-Spec suspension, aftermarket one. LED lights. I try to find something wrong with the car. So the doors looks like it's been taken. That's the sign of it. You see the color is gone, the black one, so they took the door. Okay, so this one all original, nice interior, music and everything. That's the only downside I found. So this fender was fixed and repainted, so this tire needs to be replaced, like the front suspension. JKS. Okay, so there is a paint. I'm not really sure what is that. Was it repainted or not? Okay, so this door, original paint, nothing been done to it. Books, it's here, original. Let's see if there's a original sticker. No original sticker, but the books are there. Guys, it's a nice used car. Wow, leather condition is good, tensioner is good. What about side airbag? Not really sure. Maybe it's not there. And it's a cat skin, so it's aftermarket. It's aftermarket leather. Okay, let's see what else. Original. Small cut. I like it, guys. Flood damage. This one is nice. Oh, look at this Platinum Group security. I still remember the Dodge Charger. Wow, what I just found. Look at this. And now it's hybrid Toyota Prius. Okay, again, no damages. Lights on the roof is not that impressive. And it's still for at Copart. So the front damage I see right away. Okay, what else is wrong with the car? Okay, so it's a 2016. Okay, so paint damage. Actually, there is a crack on metal part. Wow. Oh my G. I never seen car used like that. What in the world? What's happening here? The condition is horrible. Wow, that's, I know, security car, and it's all beaten up. The seats are extremely dirty. This part is completely messed up. Whoa. Yeah. Is it gonna start? Okay. Okay, so it started. Whoa. Braking power low. 120,000 miles. ABS system malfunction. Visit your dealer. I mean, it starts, but it's super used, super dirty. So, you know, if you want to fix it, actually replace the seats, replace the floor liner. What is that? Otherwise, tensioner is good. Maybe a good car. Let's check it out. Very used one. The condition is beaten up, but if you get it cheap, you can get a used Prius super cheap. Okay. Maybe. Depends on the price. Okay, I also found 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300. No damages. I see just minor one. There's a heavy scratch right here. Otherwise, nothing is wrong. Looks decent. Okay, so what is wrong with the car? Guys, what is wrong? Nothing. Super clean. Let's see what's... Okay, so there is a first aid kit. Nice. There's a net. Good one. Let's... Whoa. Locks itself. Okay. So tell me what's wrong with this one. I don't see anything wrong. Let's see inside. Try to start it. Beside this scratch, it says like a minor scratch, dents and scratches, and it has mechanical damage. Let's see if it starts. Okay, so it looks decent, like a regular Mercedes. Let's start it. My favorite test. Okay, so it starts. There is an engine light. Is there? Let me see if I see any warnings here. Okay, no warnings. Airbag intact. Everything is good. Leather is nice. So what's wrong? So EcoSport. So this, everything works fine. Okay, does it drive? Let's try to put it to test. Let's go reverse. Okay, so it drives. Let's go front. Okay, we're going front. Okay, so for me, it's run and drive. So you can see, sometimes you can find really decent car with no damages, run and drive, full tank of gas. Seriously, full tank of gas. And what's wrong with that? So it retails for around $25,000. It's a clean title, and then you get a very nice car. So I mean, this one, check it out. I mean, if you get it even cheaper than $18,000, you can get savings on a spot on a decent car. Engine works good. I see oil is spilled. Maybe that's the problem. So there might be some damage to the engine, you know, like some problem. And they decided just to get rid of it, the option. So if you know how to fix cars, if you know how to fix Mercedes, this might be a great one. Ooh, check it out. Hyundai. 2014 Veloster. Look at these rims. Yay. Nice. Carbon fiber. R spec. That should be quick. What's wrong with that? Again, no damages. No. Whoa, well used. Ooh, I think it's yeah, I think it's flood damage. Smells bad. This bad. This bad. This bad. You. But otherwise, loss type unknown. Not true. Flood damage. Wow, I like that Jeep Wrangler so much. It's just like unbelievably great car. It's a used car. Yes, it was in previous accident, but they fixed it proper. They done a really good job tuning it, and now they try selling it at Copart again. You know, like, I don't think it belongs to Copart. This car is a clean title car. It's in no issues. They could sell it easily on eBay. But Copart or insurance or auction, for me and for others, it's the platform where we can save up to 50% on the car. If the value is around $38,000, I'm ready to pay $30,000 for that car. I need savings. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you like my video, make sure you like and subscribe because I drop new cool episodes from auctions every Sunday. And my name is Andre, and if you're looking to buy insurance car and you do not have dealer license, carsfromwest.com is your friend. We have free registration, we have 2 auctions you can search for, and the buying process is extremely simple. Carsfromwest.com is your friend. Check description and the pinned comment for more details. And I guys, see you next week. Cheers.